Doobie, Doobop. Do 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 doobie, do 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 doobop. Doobie doobie, doobie doobop. Doobie Doobop's Monster Music Factory. Doobie Doobop.
Doobie, look at this. I drew it. Ta-da!
Wow, nice! One question. What is it?
Can't you tell?
Well, is it a bug?
No.
Then, is it a branch?
No.
Oh, no. Well, what is it then?
It's the letter D. A, B, C, D.
Letter D!
This is my favorite letter. My name starts with D.
Oh, yes! My name starts with D, too. Sorry, I didn't catch it.
That's okay. Let's make a song now.
Oh, good! It's my favorite. Song time!
Okay, let's get to work. Monster Music Factory!
Kids English School.
Kidstalk